Hey there, Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I got something a little special for y'all today. Seems like about everything we got rolling out of the shop is just custom, which I guess I do say if you want a custom smoker built, you know who to call. So now this is from my man Chris C up in Illinois, and we have got a Heritage 72 that we have welded end caps on both ends. So actually comes out to about like 160 gallons or so. So pretty solid rig here. Double door, all our Heritage 60 and 72s are double door.
Hey man, you seen these new coolers Lawson got for us?
Oh wow, is that a TMG Orca cooler?
Yeah.
Wow, what you got in there, Square?
You want a beer, buddy?
You got a cold snack for me? I appreciate that, man. Been working hard all day. Get me a little Miller time.
Look at it.
All right. Anyways, we got solid bottom trays in here. They are removable. Now you can see here we've got a couple charcoal trays in here. So what that is, we got an ash pan you'll set in there first, then a charcoal pan you set in there so you can use this as a grill if you like. And of course, if y'all know TMG, of course we got the top sliding shelves. We love that top shelf here in TMG. So still a good amount of cook room on this smoker. Now we did do him a 3/8 thick firebox as well. Open her up here. Ain't much going on inside, just a good old 24-inch diameter, 3/8 thick pipe. Now we got D-ring tie-down points on all four corners, and as you can see, it is on our off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires, with a fold-down stack at the front, because this sucker is tall. You're gonna want to fold that down and roll it in the garage. So this one bad Heritage 72 will roll out of the shop today, guys. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.